we're going to find the volume of cones. So you've got the volume formula right up at the top of your paper, and we're going to just look at number 1. Right here, we're going to go 1/3 pi r squared h. H is 12, r is 5. So we're just going 1/3 pi 5 squared times 12. Multiply those all together, and we get 314.2 centimeters cubed, because it's a volume. We're going to go right below it and do number 4. We've got my height is 9, but my radius is 4, because it's half as big. So again, it's going to be 1/3 pi 4 squared times 9. And we put that in our calculator, and we get 150.8 inches cubed. Okay. Any questions about that? Make sure you come to office hours and you can let me know. Let's move on to surface area. Let's try number 1 for surface area. Now, the nice thing about this one, and it's why I did this one first, is it gives you your slant height. Remember, the formula is pi r squared plus pi r slant height. We know that r is 2, and in this case, the slant height is 10. And then you just plug it in. Pi 2 squared plus pi times 2 times 10. Put that all in my calculator at once, and I get 75.4 centimeters squared, and I'm finished. Okay, let's go ahead and turn the page over and do it where we don't have one that has a slant height. So we are going to move to number 6. Okay, number 6, I've got my radius. Remember, this makes 90 degrees. I've got my height, but I need my slant height. So I'm going to do that where I go slant height squared equals radius squared plus height squared. And then you're going to, square root it, and you end up with the slant height being 39.8. And then we're going to put this in the surface area formula, which is pi r squared, so that's 19 squared, plus pi r, 19 again, times slant height, 39.8. And I'm going to put this all in my calculator at once, and I get 3,509.8 feet squared. Remember, it's surface area, so that's why we're getting squared for this. Okay, if you have any questions, please come to office hours and let me know. Otherwise, try all of these, and you should be good.